Howdy, folks. Max Mogren, Jackson Hole Skywatch. If you noticed the plane flying through center frame and left a trail, also hopefully you can see all those linear formations in that high cirrus haze. It's October 2nd, 2013. The government is shut down, but apparently the geoengineering programs are still going on. Hopefully you can see that trail center frame right now and see how it's kind of bleeding out to looker's right, increasing that cirrus haze. This morning dawned bright blue and beautiful, and throughout the day, or throughout the morning, excuse me, we had a lot of planes leaving lingering trails that spread and formed that high cirrus haze. Sorry about the camera moves there, loading some firewood into the truck. But you can really see that cirrus layer. Again, this morning it dawned bright blue. If you look at the right side of the frame, you can see some repeating wave cloud patterns. Very faint, but you can see it right side of the frame right now, marching off into the distance. But we're going to switch it up. This is earlier that morning. This is about probably 9:30, and I was trying to get those trails right after they were laid down. One thing you'll notice on these days when the planes are leaving lingering trails is that it's still quite bright out. If the NASA website was up right now, I would quote you from the NASA Earth Observatory on clouds, where they say that these high cirrus hazes, these thin, wispy, icy clouds at high altitudes, have a greenhouse warming impact. NASA tells us that these let the light, the energy from the sun through, but they trap the heat. So, on a day like this, you'll notice that there's this high haze, but you still need sunglasses out there. It's still quite bright. You can see in the frame here, the sun is beaming through that. It's not like a stratus cloud layer where the sun's blocked. This footage obviously isn't as interesting, but it just hopefully shows you how blanket-like this layer is. And again, this morning it dawned bright blue and beautiful, and we didn't see this cirrus layer until planes started leaving lingering, spreading trails. That prompts the obvious question, which came first, the high cirrus cloud or the jet trails? Well, obviously it was the jet trails, because the jet trails lingered and spread and formed this layer. Now, even if you don't agree with me that there are currently covert geoengineering programs going on, intentionally manipulating Earth's climate, let's say you believe that these are just normal airplane contrails that happen to persist and linger and spread and form these high cirrus hazes. Obviously, this is having a profound impact on our weather and climate, whether it's intentional or not. The government shut down, but it sure looks like the geoengineering programs are still going on, meaning that in the government's eyes, these are essential programs. Again, maybe I'm off my rocker, maybe it's just water vapor, but I doubt it. Do your homework, see for yourself, look up. One love, peace.